so this is what the house looks like without the fall decor. I'm gonna make very subtle changes, so I just wanted to show you all the before. So this is what the before of this area looks like. Let me step back a little bit. This is what that under the staircase area looks like. It's so beautiful, y'all. It's so nice and calming. I'm gonna make a very subtle change there. And then over here, the bookshelf, I don't think I'm doing anything there. And then we come over here to the fireplace. I'm not gonna do too much there either. And then let's come over here on this table. We might do a thing or two, switch a little bit of something up. And then the couch, the bigger couch, we might do something there. And then this other couch, we might do something there. Now let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen, I don't think I'm gonna do much to. I already like the kitchen how it is now. It's very functional. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be doing much here, but that is my little coffee nook. This is my coffee nook. And then that is the cooking area. Over here, this is where all of the cooking happens. And then over here, this is where we do most of our eating, to be honest. We eat a lot on the island versus anywhere else in the house. And then this is the back of that couch. It has these two extra seating. This used to be up there. Sometimes I move it around. So again, I'm always moving stuff around. So this is the back of the couch. Maybe we'll do something here. I'm not sure. And then over here in the dining room, we'll see if we can change it up a little bit, okay? So from this angle, this is what the house looks like, nice and clean. And then from this angle, this is what the house looks like. The light from the windows, oh my God, that's blinding. So for this side of the living room, I have 2 pillows and I have a throw blanket. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, we have our pillow. This again is a set of 2 and it's velvet. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. So we have this nice throw blanket. Flower. I'm not going to take those flower out because this already has green in it and that has green. So I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to add this to it, okay? All right, family, so this is what that area looks like. We have fall now. We have beautiful blankets and pillows that represent fall. We have the fall flowers. And this is what this area looks like now. Beautiful fall colors, nice and warm. I love the velvet pillowcase or pillows, the throw blanket. So as you can see from this area, this is what I decided to go with, or the color I decided to go with. All right, so now let's move on to this area. All right, family, so as for this table, I recently just redecorated this table, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. I'm just gonna add a few little fall pieces and we'll be good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything off. gonna do the black this time. All right, family, so this is what our coffee table looks like. We have fall, y'all. And then it goes with that area. Look at that, look how pretty. Oh my goodness. These candles are a pain to turn on because I have the fan on, and whenever I try to put the candle on, see, I already have two of them go out. They are a pain to turn on, but look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, family, so let's move on to this side. Let's put some fall onto this area. I really like this blanket, and it's not too white, so it has that warmth to it. So it's still giving fall. However, this we're gonna take away, and then we are going to bring in this big pumpkin. Look at this. We're gonna set this right here. And that, friends, is the only change we're making to that area. But I want you to take a better look at this pumpkin. Look how beautiful and rich it looks. It looks so nice, right? So gorgeous. Biggest thing we're going to change in the dining room, and I'm going to set it right here. And for the dining room, this is what we have done, y'all. Very simple, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just this big thing of fall flower, and it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Look how vibrant those colors look. So nice. All right, family, so this area, I don't want to do too much. So I think I will only take these out and put them somewhere else. I'm gonna find a spot for these. So maybe I'll put it on the mantle here. Yeah, it looks good there. So I have this vase. Okay, these are one of my DIY vases. I'm gonna put this flower, this smells so good, y'all. It smells really, really good. This is what this now looks like. It's so pretty. Look at the imperfection in the vase. I like that. I like that a lot. I did that myself, y'all. Look how pretty. All right, y'all, let's move on to the kitchen. All right, y'all, so for the kitchen, the only thing we're gonna be adding is this caramel apple candle. I like it because it has, again, the colors. But it smells so good, y'all. It smells really, really good. So this is the only thing we're gonna be putting in the kitchen. And then we're gonna put these two guys. kitchen is done. That's all for the kitchen, y'all. That's literally all we did. All right, family, so this is the fall decor that everyone has been waiting for. I finally did it, y'all. I'm just gonna do a 360. I'm gonna do my best to show you everything in one take. It is so gorgeous in here. I don't even know if the camera is doing it justice. It is beautiful in here, y'all. We have pieces of fall, or a little bit of fall in every single place, every single spot, right? Look at this table. I did go ahead and add this blanket. It's warm and fuzzy for fall. But look at it, y'all. How beautiful. How gorgeous is everything? Wow. Look, that's my favorite corner. Always my favorite corner. And then we didn't forget about our chest, y'all. We have some fall in here. We have a pumpkin in there. We have another one up there. Then we have our pumpkin on our mantle, and then the fireplace. And then we have our throw blanket there. Again, we have that nice fuzzy fur throw blanket. It's very thick, y'all. It's very, very thick. All right. And then for our kitchen, again, we didn't do too much. We do have our candle here. Our cute little candle burning. This by itself is fall, or fallish. And then coming to this corner, this is what we have going on. The top, this is what the view is from the top. Kitchen, the dining room, and our gorgeous living room. How gorgeous is that? So beautiful. That's Nadia's scooter. And the fire pit, the covered thing is the fire pit.